Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is David. Yes, welcome to pipspilot, the channel that goes through testing all strategies on the US30. Yes, you heard me. I'll be testing all strategy on the US30, going through all time frame, all significant time frame like the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 30, 15 minutes, sorry, 30 minutes, and 1 hour and the 4 hours time frame. Yes, in this one I'm going to be using the CDMA. Sorry, I'm going to be using the MACD. Yes, I'm going to be using the MACD strategy for this one. For this particular set, it's going to be a series I've already done for the 1 minute time frame. If you've not seen that for yourself, make sure you check that out so that you don't miss it. If you've not seen that for yourself, I will advise you check that out. That's the first video on the channel. This is going to be a series. It's going to be a 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 50 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, and the 4 hours. I'm going to be testing the US30 to see how accurate it is, what the win rate is like using this MACD strategy, this MACD trading strategy. I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to take some trades so that you know the rules. Some of you already know the rules with the MACD trading strategy. So what it's going to be like is, for a buy, I'm going to be looking for the MACD cross to be under the 0 line. As you can see here, this is the 0 line. Okay, so I'm going to be looking for the cross to happen under the 0 line, and for a sell, the cross should also happen above the 0 line, but also taking note of the 200 moving average. You only consider a buy when the 200 moving average is below the price, and you only consider a sell when the 200 moving average, this orange line you can see I put on this chart, is above the price. So I'm going to be taking some trade for you guys so that you guys understand it, for you guys that don't know the rules, and then I'm going to go through and do test from, obviously this is where I can test from, which is the 12th of October to today's date, which is 11th of October. So you're going to stick with me while I do this, and I will get straight to it and work that out. So make sure you stick around so that you don't miss a thing or two. Okay, I'm going to start now. So this will be the first one, obviously will be the first one, so let's do that. Okay, lost this. Remember, I'm using a 2-to-1 win reward ratio. Okay, so I risk, for instance, if I'm supposed to gain $20, I risk only $10 to make $20. So that's how it works. Okay, so that's how I'll be doing that. And remember, I avoid trades down the line. I always want them to be fully inside like this. So this will be the next one. Okay, so we'll just keep on going like that. Lost these two. Right, so keep going, finding them. Okay, so that's how it is. I'm trying to find one winning trade. Okay, this should be one. This is it. Okay, 2-to-1. Don't forget, we're targeting a 2-to-1. Okay, this is a perfect 2-to-1. Perfect. As you can see, this is about 4 minutes in. Let me just take 2 more. This one's this direction. Okay, this one is in. Take that for a sell. Okay, so this is how the strategy works. So let's just see how it goes. This one was a winner also. So you can see the strategy is working. What I normally do is, once I'm in a trade, I avoid taking another trade till that one either hits the take profit or the stop loss, which is above here. This would have been a good one too. So if we take this one, we would have won that. Okay, but I would have avoided it. But for this reason, I'll just take all I see on the chart. Take all I see on the chart so that we don't miss out on any trade. Okay, just gonna take all I see on the chart. Make sure you follow me. Make sure you follow me so that you see how easy it is to use the strategy. Remember, for a sell, okay, let me go back to this one. Remember what I told you. For a sell, the moving average, the 200 moving average have to be above the price, and the MACD line should be above the zero line, which happened here, and it's also happened here, as you can see. So that's how it works. So we'll just keep going. I'll find one more for you, then I will try to speed up the video so that you don't have to watch me go through that. I'll pause the video after I take this next one. I'll just find one more, take that, and I'll pause the video, take all the trade I have to take from the 12th of October to today's present date, and then I'll let you know the win rates and if it's going to be good for you on the 5 minutes, if the US30 trading strategy is going to be good for you on the 5 minutes time frame. So this is another one. The price, the MACD is below the line, okay, and the price is above, so you can take this one, take that one, obviously. Let's see how that plays out. Okay, targeting 2 to 1. Okay, perfect. We want that too also. So I'm just gonna pause. I'm just gonna keep going now. I might not pause the video, but I'm just gonna keep going now till I make all my trades to the present date. Then I'll give you the win rate, how many losses I had in a row, how many winners I had in a row, and we're going to see if this strategy is good for us. Remember, after you're done watching this video, make sure you watch the last one, which was done on the 1 minute time frame, to see if that's something you want to try for yourself. I'll see you after the test, after I've taken all the trades and done all the back testing, and I will see you after the trade. Just stay with me. Hello, welcome back. I've come to the end of this back test. Yes, this is me taking the MACD trading strategy on US30 on the 5 minutes chart. Yes, like I told you at the beginning, I was going to do a test from the 12th of October, obviously, because that was where the 200 moving average disappeared. So I started that trade from there. So with that, I was able to take about 51 trade. Yes, I was able to take about 51 trade, and it's going to be a shocker to know the win rate. Yes, the win rate for this 5 minutes US30 MACD trading strategy was 56%. Wow, that's really good if you ask me, using a 2 to 1 win reward ratio. Yes, how many did I win? I won 29 and lost 22 trades. Yes, in the course of this backtest, I won 29 trade and lost 22 trade. How many wins in a row? I had 5 wins in a row and 4 losses in a row. Yes, I'm going to be putting up the screenshots so that you can see them for yourself. I'm going to be putting up the screenshots so you can see them for yourself. I used an app called the Trading Rush app. I downloaded it from Play Store. So if you don't have it and you want to do your own backtest, you can go over and download it. It's from the YouTube channel I used to watch in the past before I started making this kind of video for you guys. So it's quite amazing. Now to the part you've all been waiting for, which is the graph and the profit margin. Yes, after taking those 51 trade, obviously that was the only amount of trade I was able to get from when the 200 moving average was on the chart till the end. Yes, it's advisable to take 100 trade, but from the 51 trade I was able to make 360 from 10,000. That's a 3,600 profit from 10,000, and the graph is really positive. It has a up channel movement, so that is a good sign. So with that said, we are done on this backtest. I just want to say thank you for staying tuned. Make sure you watch my 1 minute backtest video on the MACD trading strategy using the US30 if you've not watched that already for yourself, and I will see you on the next one where I test the 15 minutes. Okay, with that said, stay blessed. Like if you've not liked, subscribe if you've not subscribed, and I'll see you on the next one. One love.